Do you know those services that say they will register your LLC for free? If you're considering working with one of these, I promise you are wasting at least $1,000. Here's how. Before diving into these common money traps, let me tell you a quick story. My friend Jordan fell into almost every one of these traps. He was starting up a fencing business in his small town. He had no idea how to create an LLC or what an EIN was. In his first month, he spent $1,200 on services he didn't even need. Luckily, he managed to turn things around and learn some valuable lessons. If you want to avoid Jordan's mistakes, stay tuned. I'll break down exactly where your money is going and how to protect your budget. The first way to lose money fast? Paying for LLC filings through a third-party website. They make it sound like you're paying for a premium service, but all they're doing is charging you to fill out a very simple form. You can file for an LLC directly through your state's website for a fraction of the cost. Don't fall for the one-stop shop promise. Go straight to the source and save hundreds. Paying for an EIN or employee identification number. Paying for an EIN, some companies charge $100 or more for this, claiming it's complex. Guess what? It's completely free to get an EIN directly from the IRS. Don't waste your money on something you can literally do in 5 minutes. Here's another way to blow through your budget. Overpriced domains and web hosting packages. Many companies lure you in with cheap introductory rates, but those rates skyrocket after the first year. Shop around, compare prices, and don't overpay for a premium domain unless it's crucial to your brand. Listen, I get it. Everyone wants a professional image, but spending hundreds of dollars on fancy business cards or starter marketing packages before you even have a client is a waste. Platforms like Canva can help you design business cards for free, and you can order quality prints at a fraction of the price. Save your money for marketing that truly reaches your target audience. Lastly, expensive logo design services. You don't need to spend $500 on a logo when you're just getting started. There are tons of budget-friendly options like Fiverr or even DIY design tools. Keep it simple at first and upgrade your branding as your business grows. So how do you avoid these costly mistakes and set yourself up for success without overspending? The answer is very simple. Be strategic about where you spend and where you save. Let's review the key steps to keep your costs down and avoid that newbie tax. First, handle your LLC and EIN filings yourself. A little research goes a long way and saves you money that you can put into the essentials like inventory or marketing. You'll also gain valuable insight into the setup process, giving you a clearer picture of your business's structure. Plus, many states' websites offer step-by-step guides, making the process easier than you might think. Next, when choosing a domain and hosting, compare prices. You can always upgrade later if you need more features, but don't pay for more than you need in the beginning. Opt for services that offer introductory rates or package deals to keep costs low at the start. Remember, a basic website is all you'll need initially to establish an online presence and grow with your business. And instead of splurging on professional design services, use tools like Canva for logos and business cards. You can create a professional look without breaking the bank. These platforms offer customizable templates and easy editing, even for beginners. By handling the design yourself, you'll also have the flexibility to make changes as your brand advances. Lastly, ask yourself if each expense is truly necessary. Starting a business is about reaching customers and refining your product or service, not paying for every shiny add-on. Prioritize investments that directly support the growth and postpone any luxury additions. This disciplined approach will help stretch your budget and stay focused on building a sustainable foundation. And remember, building a business is hard enough without unnecessary expenses weighing you down. Skip the overhyped services and keep your money in your pocket and invest where it matters. If you're serious about starting a business without getting fleeced, check out unsexybusinessmen.com, where we walk you through all the steps of setting up your business and include all the business documents that you'll need. No subscription necessary. If you aren't ready for that step quite yet, hit the subscribe button for this channel. We've got more tips on smart spending and business growth. Do you have any horror stories about early business expenses? Drop them in the comments. Let's learn from each other and make the journey smoother for everyone.